Getting ready to go to a cruise at the local ice cream shop, Super Cream. Starts at 5. Go up there, see if anybody's around. Car's, it's clean, not super clean, but it's just a cruise in and go talk to some fellow car people and see what they got up there. So stay tuned. Hey, what's up? Thanks for stopping by again. Had to do a cruise in at Super Cream ice cream store here in town. See if anybody's around. Hopefully there'll be some car guys there. Drop off a couple Apex magazines that I have and give it to some people that don't have them, and talk cars with some guys and gals. Well, we'll see. Hopefully there's some people there. Nice day here. It's about 80 degrees out here in central New York, and just a beautiful day to get out and drive the car. The AC on, of course. A lot of motorcycles on the road. Be careful. Make sure you watch for motorcycles. You've all seen the signs, but it's real. And, yeah, my splitter. I got an email today and a phone call from Car ID. My splitter's back ordered. It's not going to be shipped until July 2nd because the manufacturer they get them from is delayed for whatever reason. I won't be getting that till July. That's kind of disappointing, but I did order my muffler delete tonight, so hopefully that'll be here this week. Get that in the shop, and my son and I will take the big old muffler off there and put the straight pipes on and listen to this thing bark a little bit. She already barks pretty good, but she'll definitely bark with that exhaust delete or that muffler delete. So pretty excited about that. And just little things at a time here. That's all I can do, just little at a time. That's the fun of it. You get a car and you just do your little mods here and there, and your little personalize it, you know. Just continue to do little things that I can afford and keep going and driving the car and enjoying it. So hang on, we'll see what's going on here at the cruise. Nice 383 Roadrunner. Mustang, beautiful color, wine color. Dave Miller's truck, I like it. Pretty fun. That was a pretty good turnout. Talked to Dave Miller. He just wrote a book about hot rodding. He interviewed a bunch of hot rodders across the country in the last few years. And he took his 58 Chevy pickup truck cross country and interviewed a bunch of hot rod builders and hot rodders and talked to him for quite a while. My son Cruz showed up. A bunch of people from the Mustang Club were there. Guy was there with his Roush Mustang, nice car. Then I talked to a guy that's gonna put lowering springs in this car for me. So it was a good night overall, and I had some sugar-free ice cream. So we had fun. It was good. They're gonna do it every other Tuesday, and they have bands and DJs there depends on the week. So it's a good thing to do. Get a bunch of people together and just sit in your lawn chairs and just, you know, BS about different things going on and something to do. So, hey, thanks for stopping by again, and I'll talk to you later.